Giving or taking instructions. Informal versus formal.
Sit down.
Please have a seat.
Send me your resume.
It would be great if you could share your resume.
Go out and smoke.
Would you mind not smoking in this room, please?
Let me know when you will be available.
Should I know of your availability, I shall make myself free.
Speak softly.
Would you mind turning down the voice, please?
Wait a minute.
Could you hold, please?
I want another sandwich.
I'd like to have another sandwich.
I want this work finished today.
I do hope that it would be possible for you to finish this work by tonight.
Write a note apologizing for missing the party.
I'm hoping that you would write a note of apology for having missed the party.
Please get back to me ASAP. ASAP is as soon as possible.
I would appreciate it if I receive a prompt response.
Go through the mail sent to you.
I am guessing that you haven't gone through the mail yet.
Hope this helped. Thank you.